Hello, and welcome to the Edge virtual demo. We're going to start off by prepping our sample. Today, we have this great soil sample ready for extraction. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our Q-cup, this 2-piece hard anodized aluminum sample holder. We're going to insert one of our Q-discs right into the bottom, making sure it's sitting nice and flat. Screw to assemble, and then just dump in the sample. We're going to add the Q-cup right into the rack. We're going to load the method. And that's all the sample prep that you would never need to do on the Edge. You can weigh directly into the Q-cups, placing them on an analytical balance, and you can spike directly into them as well. The Edge is going to do everything else for you. So right now, the unit is preheating. And afterwards, it's going to add solvents through one of these solvent bottles that we have over here. We have 6 different solvent lines that you can run any organic solvent on without issue. So right now, the auto sampler is going to pick up that Q-cup, and it's going to place it into that back reaction chamber back there. Then it's going to move back and have the dispense tip into that extraction vial. That actuator is going to come down, make a seal with the Q-cup. That way you're in a closed system, so you're heating and adding solvent into a closed chamber. So right now it's going to add solvent. It's going to pressurize the whole system. Now it's going to ramp to temperature. You have a nice graphic that tells you exactly what's going on in the reaction chamber at this time. You can also look at your temperature and pressure curves, or see what's next in the queue. So after ramping to temperature, it's going to hold for the hold time that you set. Every parameter is controllable on the Edge, from what solvent you add, to how you add solvents, how much solvent you add, what temperature you go to, and how long you hold for at that temperature. Since its hold time is finished, it's going to collect into the vial right beside the Q-cup. And now it's going to purge the sample by using an internal pump. After finishing the purge, it's going to go ahead and remove the Q-cup from the reaction chamber, set it back down in position, and then start its wash process. The arm is going to move so that the dispense needle is into that back waste port. Afterwards, the machine is going to add solvents into the chamber. It's going to heat and hold to whatever temperature and time you set to. And then it's going to wash that entire fluidic pathway and then dispense into the waste bottle right over here. Much like the cycles, you have full control over the parameters of the wash, from what solvent you use, what temperature you hold, and how long you hold for. And after finishing its wash, we have this nice, cooled, and filtered extract ready to go right to analysis.